Hey, Olivia. Do you have a favorite famous person?
Hi, Daniel. Yes, I really admire Emma Watson.
Oh, the actress from Harry Potter?
Yes, she's not only a great actress, but she's also a strong women's rights activist. She's smart and confident.
That's true. I've seen her speeches at the UN. She's very inspiring.
Exactly. What about you? Who do you look up to?
I really admire Elon Musk. He's changing the world with his ideas. Tesla, SpaceX, and more.
Yeah, he's super creative and ambitious. Do you think he's a genius?
Honestly, yes. He thinks outside the box and takes big risks. I respect that.
That's cool. I also like Taylor Swift. Not just her music, but the way she writes her songs and connects with her fans.
She's talented for sure, and she stands up for herself in the music industry, which is not easy.
True. I think it's important for famous people to use their platform in a good way.
I agree. Some celebrities just chase fame, but others try to make a difference.
Do you follow any famous personalities online?
A few. I like following David Attenborough. His documentaries about nature are amazing.
Oh, I love his voice. He makes me care more about the environment.
Same here. He's in his 90s and still teaching people about the planet.
That's inspiring. Would you like to be famous?
Maybe, but only if I could use that fame for something meaningful. How about you?
I don't think I'd want to be famous. I like my privacy too much, but I'd love to meet some of these amazing people one day.
Me too. Imagine having a conversation with someone like Oprah or Malala.
That would be incredible. I think we can learn a lot from famous people who have a positive impact.
Definitely. It's not just about being known. It's about doing something valuable with that attention.
Well said, Daniel.
Thanks, Olivia. Let's keep learning from the good ones.